Hello there, BoBo, the Bitcoiner is back again. Imagine waking up and the bank suddenly freezed withdrawal. It happens in Lebanon, Nigeria, Argentina, and then it can happen again anywhere. When everything else fails, Bitcoin keeps working. What happened then? See, when a country faces a crisis, inflation, political instability, banking collapse, the first thing the government will do is control your money, right? They freeze withdrawals. They limit the transfer. They restrict the foreign currency. They impose capital control. And ordinary people suffer. Your salary loses value. Your saving get trapped. Your bank decide what you can or cannot do. This is not theory, my friend. This is history. It's already happened and will happen again and again. So, how did Bitcoin keep working? Bitcoin behaves differently because no one controls it. No government can freeze it, no bank can block it, no central authority can shut it down. No crisis can stop the network. Bitcoin runs on thousands or tens of thousands of nodes around the world. Even one country collapses, the network continues. Your money becomes portable, permissionless, and independent. And Bitcoin doesn't care about borders. It doesn't care about politics. It doesn't care about crisis. It just keeps working. That's the beautiful part of Bitcoin. This already happened, right? Lebanon bank froze withdrawals for months. People turned to Bitcoin because it was the only money that they could not access. Argentina, inflation destroyed saving. Bitcoin became the only way to protect the value when the local currency collapsed. And Nigeria, well, the government there instructed or restricted rather the bank transfer. Bitcoin became the only way to move money freely. In every crisis, Bitcoin becomes a lifeline. Not because it's perfect, not because it's independent. So be careful, my friend. Most people think crisis happen somewhere else, but every country has risks, right? Like inflation, political instability, banking failures, currency devaluations. Bitcoin is not about the rich. It's about protecting yourself when the system fails. It's the first form of money that gives you control, not permission. A crisis reveals the truth. Your money is only safe if you control it. And Bitcoin gives you that control. So if you are new to Bitcoin, this is the most important lesson you will ever learn. Yeah, in Singapore, we still have inflation risk, but many of our neighboring countries, besides facing inflation, also have political and banking risks, currency devaluations. Nobody should underestimate a crisis. Better to play safe and park some of your saving in Bitcoin, which cannot be freeze, blocked, or shut down, because its network runs 24/7, 365 forever. Right? Thanks for watching. More important, take precautionary measure with Bitcoin. See you next episode. Bye bye.